block everybody here. That's what you're supposed to do. It's proper busy for a Wednesday. Proper busy. What time is it? It's 7:38. Recording it. 7 dummy checks. Made a cup of tea to go. And then that's me. Got a fuel up though, so I'm going to fill up at my local just at the top of here before I get onto the A1, and then that's me. I don't have to worry about now.
Our reporter Andy Watson's there for us. Yes, well, it's starting to get busy here. People are pulling into the car park, and there are some heading towards the entrance ways. Now, for shops here, they've been preparing to make up for lost time. I've been speaking to Graham Salt, who is a retail expert. He says a busy Christmas period could keep some of these businesses afloat.
Hope that most of these stores that are reopening, the independents as well, can trade well and hopefully build some resource ready for if there are any more closures in the future.
Well, I'll be here speaking to shoppers throughout the morning. Also today, there's going to be more coronavirus testing at Newcastle United. The club are in the midst of a COVID outbreak. It's reported up to 10 players have tested positive. Their upcoming game against Aston Villa on Friday has been cancelled. Finally, on TikTok this year, a video of a lion walking among cars in a safari park was their most watched video. The blinding lights dance challenge was the UK's biggest 2020 trend.
Weather with Metro Centre. Hamley's Toy Shop now open in Green Mall.
Many places seeing some rain this morning, but it will dry up today. We'll get sunny spells, highs around 8. That's your latest Stan Mickey Welsh. She's making travel.
Keeping you moving with the Tyne Tunnels. Be part of the underground movement.
Mark's been on saying that we've got a major delay on the spine road just before the Moor Farm roundabout. No idea what's going on there, says Mark, but it's backed up all the way to Cramlington Hospital. So if you're stuck there, if you've got more info, let us know, please. 01914 888 3188. Rest of the northeast looking fine.
Right, we've had quite a few winners on the bounce, so it's a brand new round today, brand new amount of money for you to win, and it's all the fours.
All the fours, £44,444.44. That's £44,444.44. That's £44,444.44. That's £44,444. I knew I'd got me now. £44,444.44.
About half an hour, so I get to the site of Pickering. Straight through, no problems today. Like busy, really busy, but everybody's moving. Everybody moving. I got my PFCO renewal back last night for my drone license. And what a lot of work I had to put into that again to get it through. So many changes, but it's come back and I'm good for another 12 months, which is great news. It was an absolute nightmare, total ball ache, but it paid off. Took a few weekends away from us that did, getting it done. Well, got to be done, hasn't it? What a name, Well Stoned. Get well stoned at Vertical.
have a conga. The National Lottery. Your numbers, rate phasing up. Rules and procedures apply. Players must be 16 or over.
The sounds of Christmas haven't changed. Sleigh bells, Santa Claus, 70s classics,
See you in a week.
sung by Dad. And you can add some serious sparkle to someone's soundtrack by giving the gift of digital radio. They'll unwrap music, entertainment, comedy, sport, and news. It's as easy as gifting them a DAB digital radio, available in-store and online. Look for the tick on approved products. It means the radio includes DAB and DAB+. Find out more at getdigitalradio.com. Love radio. Give digital.
At last, a technology that's impossible to ignore. Welcome to radio. Advertising that's fun.